On the new season premiere of Saturday Night Live, a school PTA meeting about COVID-19 policies was shown going comically off the rails. Pete Davidson played Dog the Bounty Hunter, who took the lectern to ask after the whereabouts of Brian Laundrie, the missing fiancé of homicide victim Gabby Petito. The sketch also took aim at parents raging against critical race theory, with Heidi Gardner playing a blonde mother who quivered with fury as she demanded to know, "What is it and why am I mad about it?" In the sketch, the meeting took place at what used to be called Robert E. Lee Middle School but has now been rechristened Robert E. Lee Was Bad. Dog the Bounty Hunter arrived at the lectern and declared, "As you know, I've joined the hunt for Brian Laundrie. So my question to you is, do you know where he is? 'Cause I can't find this dude anywhere." When the administrators told him they had no clue, he said, "I got no leads on this guy. Either he's good or I'm bad." Heidi's concerned mother took the floor and said, "Hi, I'm so mad I'm literally shaking right now. Forget COVID. The real threat is critical race theory being taught in our schools. My question is, what is it and why am I mad about it?" One woman launched into an incoherent rant about Dr. Anthony Fauci that concluded, all of this is about Israel." As it turned, not only did she not have a child at the school, she was not a mother at all, and nor did she even live in the district. Punky Johnson played the harried mother of a teenage boy and declared that, "My son can't play football because they said the vaccine he got wasn't valid." When Ego Nwodum, playing one of the administrators running the meeting, asked which jab Chris got, Punky replied, "Mike's hard vaccine."